Nice weather. We've got beautiful conditions again for tomorrow. We climbed to about 61 today. We should be near there again tomorrow after a cold night tonight. We're going to see those temperatures falling back down to the 30s for inland areas and around 40 along the coast. No cloud cover, so should bottom out the temperatures to our dew points, which are sitting in the 40s and 30s. We've got dry conditions, so absolutely no precip to talk about overnight tonight. As we go through the day tomorrow, we will start to see the cloud cover coming back. It's going to stream in out of the west, but for the most part, your day should be nice and dry and nice and sunny. We'll see the wind starting out of the north and west, shifting to out of the south by the evening hours. By 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, rain chances will start to work in. Then we're going to hold on to the shower activity. We have a frontal boundary that will come in here and basically stall out in the morning hours. So you can see some pockets of heavier rain, possibly even some thunderstorms here as that streams across. And then it just continues as we go through our Saturday. So it's not going to be a washout type of day, but there will be periods of showers and some heavier rain that'll be working across the area. It could add up in some locations over 1 inch, maybe 1 to 2 inches in certain spots, and other places may not see much other than cloud cover. And then we'll see the actual upper level cold front clear through by the time we get into Sunday morning. So Sunday should be a mostly dry day after we clear out this moisture. Some heavy rain is the main concern. Then we're going to see the temperatures plummet into Monday morning, where we'll likely start out around the upper 20s, working all the way to the shenanigans. If a storm system is suppressed too far south, well, then we're talking about just a few flakes across the southeast, and there's still that possibility even if we are just talking about cold and clouds and very limited precip. However, things are trending back up to the north, and there's a couple of different scenarios here of how this could play out. One, it is a little bit further north. We see the logo right over the top of us. We could still see some wintry precip to start off, and then we would likely transition to rain. The snow totals and any kind of accumulations, those would be confined to our north, but we would still probably see some kind of wintry precip some point in time on Tuesday. A little further off to the south, and we see snow across the majority of the area, maybe even talking about types of accumulations or those types of things if this were to play out, but we likely still hold on to a wintry mix, changing over to maybe rain as we go throughout the day on Tuesday. But the possibility of a stronger storm system there with accumulation is at least on the table. And of course, we just showed you what the other scenario looks like: a storm system too far south and we get nothing but cold. Now, obviously, my forecast at the moment, kind of a blend of all three solutions, because we're still in that 5 to 7 day range where, yes, it's possible, but we really don't know any other details outside of that. We will step into that 5-day range tomorrow, and we can start to talk about where and timing of when, but we'll still be a couple of days away from saying accumulation, this is who's going to be impacted by what. That will come next Sunday and Monday.
We're all going to find out together.
We'll
basically
find out together, yes.
Thanks, Ross.